Hello everyone, welcome to my Iron Skills. Today we talk about welding works. Welding is one of the most essential processes in the industrial world. Every strong machine, steel structure, and heavy engineering project depends on welding for strength and durability. From factories to construction sites, welding connects metal in a way that allows industries to grow and function safely. Industrial welding is not a simple task. It is a skilled profession that combines technical knowledge, practical experience, and strict safety discipline. A well-executed weld can carry heavy loads, resist extreme temperatures, and survive harsh working conditions for many years. In industrial work, welding goes far beyond joining two metal pieces. It involves understanding different metals, controlling heat input, selecting the right welding method, and following international standards. Welders must ensure that each joint is strong, clean, and reliable, because even a small defect can lead to serious mechanical failure. That is why mastering welding techniques is critical for industrial success. Industrial welding is widely used in heavy machinery manufacturing, bridges, pipelines, power plants, shipbuilding, automotive industries, and large-scale fabrication projects. These applications require welds that can handle pressure, vibration, and continuous operation. Unlike small workshop welding, industrial welding demands precision and consistency on a much larger scale. The foundation of welding lies in proper heat control. Heat is used to melt the base metal and filler material, but it must be applied carefully. Excessive heat can weaken the metal structure, while insufficient heat leads to weak penetration and poor fusion. A skilled welder understands how to balance heat to achieve a strong bond without damaging the metal. Fusion is the heart of welding, where the base metal and filler metal combine into a single solid joint. Proper penetration ensures that the weld reaches deep into the metal, providing long-term strength. Industrial welding also requires protection from air contamination. Shielding gases and fluxes are used to protect the molten weld pool from oxygen and moisture, which can cause defects. Controlled cooling after welding is equally important because sudden temperature changes can create cracks and stress within the metal. These basic principles define the quality of an industrial weld. There are several welding techniques used in industrial work, each chosen according to the material and application. Arc welding is one of the most common methods because of its strength and versatility. Stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, is widely used for heavy outdoor work due to its reliability. MAG welding is popular in factories because it is fast, efficient, and produces clean welds. TIG welding is known for its precision and is often used for stainless steel and thin metals. Although it requires a high level of skill, gas welding, while less common today, is still used for repair work and light fabrication. Resistance welding is widely applied in the automotive industry, where spot welding allows high-speed production without filler material. Submerged arc welding is used for thick steel plates and large structures, offering deep penetration and high productivity in shipbuilding and pipeline projects. Professional welding requires the use of advanced tools and equipment. Industrial welding machines range from traditional transformer-based units to modern inverter and automated systems. Electrodes and filler wires are selected based on metal type and strength requirements. Protective equipment is mandatory in all welding environments, including helmets, gloves, protective clothing, and safety shoes. Supporting tools like grinders, clamps, and measuring devices help ensure accuracy and clean finishing. Safety is a critical part of industrial welding. Welding involves high temperatures, electric current, and harmful fumes, making safety practices essential. Welders must wear proper protective gear to avoid burns and eye damage. Good ventilation is necessary to reduce exposure to toxic gases. Electrical safety must always be maintained by checking cables and grounding systems. Long-term health protection requires fume extraction systems and regular breaks during work. Even experienced welders face challenges in industrial welding. Common defects include cracks, porosity, lack of fusion, and undercutting. These problems usually occur due to poor technique, incorrect heat input, or improper shielding. Understanding these defects and their causes helps welders improve their skills and maintain high-quality standards. To master industrial welding, a welder must develop strong technical and physical skills. Hand-eye coordination, knowledge of materials, ability to read engineering drawings, and attention to detail are all essential. Industrial welding also requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning because technology and standards are constantly evolving. Quality control plays a major role in industrial welding. Welds are inspected visually and tested using non-destructive methods such as ultrasonic testing and X-rays. International standards ensure that welding meets safety and performance requirements. These inspections protect both workers and end users by ensuring the reliability of welded structures. Modern technology has transformed industrial welding. Automated and robotic welding systems are now common in large factories, providing consistent quality and faster production. Digital welding machines allow precise control over parameters, while advanced inspection tools improve accuracy. The future of welding lies in smart machines, eco-friendly processes, and increased demand for skilled welders. Mastering welding techniques in industrial work is not achieved overnight. It is a continuous journey of practice, experience, and dedication. Welding is more than a trade, it is a vital craft that supports modern industry. Strong welds build strong industries, and skilled welders shape the foundation of engineering progress.